what up guys, it's CoreLegend99 back again for reaction, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego fidget cube. If you mess up, actually I'm not going to show you how to make, well, I'll show you how to make a Lego fidget cube, and then it's playtime.
Okay.
Already here now, baby Doofus. Carly, keep him busy.
Yeah, busy. Marker.
Okay, so
Marker.
the first thing you're going to need is a 4x4 piece, 4x4. And you're going to put a 2x2 piece in the middle and pieces all around. And if you can't hear me, you might want to turn up the sound. Next, you're going to need one of these.
Sorry,
And one of these.
I'm a doofus.
And you got the first one. And you combine it.
What's that? Oh, it's a flip baby.
Next, you're going to need one of these again. Stop it!
Stop it!
Okay, I have to delete it. Cool. We're going to have to delete it. I look fool.
You what?
I look fool. Like fool. Stop, you're filming it. Stop it. Ow. I'm still doing the video.
I don't want to.
Okay, then get out of my room. Next, you're going to need one of these pieces. And you're going to need one of these pieces. Yeah, like so. Combine it. And combine it there. Like this. Next, you're going to need one of these pieces with one of these. A 2x3. Combine it. Stick it there. That's why it has a 3, so it can go all the way across. And then you're going to need one of these, which is made by one of these and one of these, and one of these and one of these. Shoot. Now I'm going to stick it to there, like so. Stick this. There. So on this side you can do this. On this side you can do this. This side you can do this. This side you can do this. And, well, that's it for today. And, well, we're not doing game time, but, oh, see you later. Subscribe, like, comment. Oh, and giving a shout out to Fidget and Ray. Oh, he's a really good friend of mine. And see you later. And